Wait, did you just say 31 secret menu? What's up, ladies? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, back for a day to the video. Hey! And in this video, I am gonna tell you all about 31's secret menu. Wait, did you just say 31 secret menu? I meant to say 31's secret discounted tab. Now, when you go on the website, did you know that there is a tab, and in that specials tab, there is a secret section where you can find 31 prints and bags and goodies at a discounted sale price? What? Yes, ladies, and I'm gonna let you know how to get there. If you're new, consider subscribing because I am all about 31, giving you the latest deals and keeping you updated on everything 31. Stay tuned because I will be debuting the winter catalog and October specials, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this a big like. So, how do you get to that secret tab, Rochelle? How? Well, let me show you. Okay, beautiful ladies, now when you're on that desktop computer, you click on that tab at the very top that says specials, and bam, click on the sale. Sale. Here you'll see an entire list of all the discounted prints and products for 31. But did you know that in that section there's also a final few tab? Yes, these are those that have small amounts and they'll be running out soon, and they may too be on the sale list. So you keep an eye on these items as well. Now when shopping on your phone, it's a little different. You gotta click open the specials tab, and then you'll see the sale icon. Click on there, and again you will see an entire list of those items that are on sale, and the red price is the price that you'll pay for these items. You'll also notice that you'll also access the final few list as well on this tab, just like on your desktop, and it will show you an entire list. So what do you think, ladies? If you want more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Or if you did not know about that tab, let me know, because not many people know about it, and not many people know that sometimes their most favorite items or prints are actually available at a discounted sale price. Hey! So enjoy your day, ladies. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!